First of all, this is a celebration now. Act like you celebrating.
I'm about to say obscene things, so this can't be posted.
It can, and it will. And if we go viral,
I'm single and ready to mingle.
I'll bust you in your head. Let them know, Zeke. The disrespect. Hey friends, welcome back to another video. This is your girl Katie here. So today I am doing a quick present prep for my mom because today's her birthday. I came to her house early in the morning. It is so early in the morning. I had to wait for her to leave to go to work so that I could come to her house and get her gifts together. And so I'm gonna get her roses together, cut the stems, put them in the vase, and then I have a card that I'm gonna fill out for her. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it. Hey. All right, one thing about me when it comes to birthdays, I kind of overdo it. And my brothers call me corny for giving multiple cards and stuff like that, but that's the person I am. But even I had 2 cards. One I didn't like once I got to the register, so I didn't buy it. But I got her this one. It's a little mahogany or Hallmark card, and I get to write my little sentimental part. And so yeah, let me get right into it. Hey y'all, so my day's been crazy. I just came from getting my nails done. This is what they looking like for the wedding for my friend tomorrow. I'm so excited. I'm actually en route to our rehearsal dinner. This should be interesting. I don't know if I'll want to get snippets of that, you know, because we got some practicing and talking to do. So but yeah, this has been a crazy day. The weather is funky. It's starting to snow, which I'm rebuking this because we got a wedding and we're trying to make sure it's nice, dry, and together tomorrow. So you'll be with me as we get ready. You'll see the behind the scenes of everything tomorrow. We got to be at the venue at 11 a.m. even though the actual wedding doesn't start until 5. So this is just my running errands the day before the wedding thing. My daughter's birthday is tomorrow too, so I'm literally getting everything for her party as well. So because her party is Saturday. I am a busy bee, honey, this week. Busy, booked and busy. But I'm grateful. So I'm so happy to be celebrating with my friend, seeing her getting married. And then spending time with my daughter. Today's my mom's birthday, and I know I showed y'all this morning me looking like a hot mess, trying to surprise her before she got off early. But yeah, so we're gonna have dinner. I'll show y'all dinner tonight with my family. Then we got wedding tomorrow, birthday party on Saturday, and church on Sunday. Jesus be with you, girl. I'm tired already. But I'm gonna call y'all back once I get to the actual rehearsal. See ya. So we are here for my mom's birthday. Hey, Concord, it ain't important. Don't sit here and do that. Hey. Hey, good fat boy. Hey, first of all, this is a celebration now. Act like you celebrating.
I'm about to say obscene things, so this can't be posted.
It can, and it will. And if we go viral,
I'm single and ready to mingle.
I'll bust you in your head. Let them know, Zeke. The disrespect. Don't disrespect my mama. Say, don't disrespect my mama. All right, family. Yeah. To the bathroom. We'll be back.
That means everything. That's the type of thing that makes me look like alcohol.
Why?
Because it just looks good. It'd be like seafood. Not even
Really?
I don't like it at all.
This is my Prosecco. Bubbly.
We'll do 0 to 8.
Bubbly. Thank you. It looks so good.
What you got, Jay?
The mango tea.
Inferior page, you see.
My own family hating on me because I'm left-handed mixing up a salad with my strong hand.
This is the auto one.
I'm a lot of woman.
There we go. Now eat this salad and enjoy it. And what are you doing, son? All right, let's eat.
You trying to make space for more food?
Oh, you just stand up.
It's in the bag now.
By tonight, we all gonna be stuffed. Right now.
Why you just
It's 6 ounces. I got the seafood Alfredo, added shrimp to me, chicken to it.
Miss, please record in our restaurant. Not gonna ask you again.
Shut up, hater.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
You might take down yours.
That's what I'm cooking.